Okay, so here's a short video on how I calibrate my Ender 5 Plus. As you can see, I made this cabinet. Just took the lid off so you can see better. What I've done is I put this gauge, measuring gauge here, just attached it with a screw, so it's a little bit flimsy, but I'll give you a good indication. So I'll just run it up. You see it's 0 there. And so I can move the x-axis across the plane here. Yeah, it's a bit off on the edge there. I'll just take it a little bit back so it'll be above the adjustment knob that's underneath there. Okay, so you can see it's zeroed out there too. Let me drive the y-axis up to like 320 millimeters maybe. That's pretty good. You see this vibrating when it's running, but it's a bit rough, this surface, and as you can see it's been through a lot. So let me just do the same for the x-axis, just put in 320. And vibrating a bit when it's moving. This one is a bit off. You can adjust it. See if I can find the knob. Like that. And the y-axis back to home, or like back to the starting position. Right, let's try go in the center, 180 maybe. That's not too bad though. So if you want to see how off the bed is like 2/10 of a millimeter. This is not imperial, this is metric. So that's a good way to measure your bed. The best way I found, just the heel touch makes a mess. It's just not accurate enough, or just not repeatable enough, at least not when I'm running very high bed temperatures. I'm putting ASA at the moment, so I'm running like 100 degrees on the bed, so it maybe affects the heel touch, I don't know. But this is by far the best solution I found. You get an accurate indication of the bed, and you have a visual representation, very, very direct. So that's my short tip for you if you want to measure your bed and make it level.